कक्षा नवमी विषयः संस्कृतम्। संस्कृतसेमुषि द्वितीयः पाठः। The remaining part of chapter 2, Swarnakaka. Dear students, we have discussed up to this part. गृहमागत्य तया मञ्जुषा समुद्घाटिता तस्यां महार्हाणि हीरकाणि विलोक्य सा प्रहर्षिता तद्दिनात् धनिका च सञ्जाता. When the girl came back to her home and opened the box, she could see precious diamonds in that box. So now, starting from here, तस्मिन्नेव ग्रामे एका अपरा लुब्धा वृद्धा न्यवसत्. In that particular village, another greedy old woman was also living. तस्या अपि एका पुत्री आसीत्. She had also a daughter. ईर्ष्यया सा तस्य स्वर्णकाकस्य रहस्यं ज्ञातवती. She, the another old woman, due to jealousy, could know the happening. The incident happened with that good girl and the golden crow. Now, सूर्यातपे तण्डुलान् निक्षिप्य तयापि स्वसुता रक्षार्थं नियुक्ता. She also spread rice grains under the sunshine and deployed her daughter for the protection of those rice grains. तथैव similarly, like before, स्वर्णपक्षः काकः तण्डुलान् भक्षयन् तामपि तत्रैव अवकारयत्. तत्रैवाकारयत्. तत्र एव आकारयत्. तथैव वैसे ही स्वर्णपक्षः काकः सोने के पंख वाला कौवा, the crow having golden feathers, तण्डुलान् भक्षयन्, eating the rice, ताम अपि, तत्र एव आकारयत्, invited this girl also there where the previous girl was invited, near to that peepal tree where the golden palace of this golden crow. Now, प्रातस्तत्र गत्वा सा काकं निर्भत्सयन्ती प्रावोचत्. प्रातः तत्र प्रातस्तत्र. In the morning, tatra there, going there, to that particular place behind the peepal tree beyond the village, saw that this girl, the second girl, the daughter of the greedy old woman, kakang nirbhatsayanti pravuchat, abusing the crew, said. Now the girl said cryingly, abusing the crew, Bho Nicha Kaka, O mean crow, Nicha mean minded. Aham Agata, I came. Mahyam Tandula Mulyam Prayacha, give me the cost of rice. Kaku Bravit, Kakaha Abravit, Visarga Sandhi. The crow said, Aham Tvatkrite Sopanam Avatarayami. Let me launch the ladder for you. Tatkathaya Swarnamayam Rajatamayam Tamramayam va. You say which ladder you would like to come through? Golden or silver or copper? Garbitaya Balikaya Proktam. Now it is said by the proud girl. This has been written in passive voice, and when you go for meaning this sentence in active voice, this will be like this, that the proud girl said, Swarnamayena sopanena aham agachami. I am coming through the golden ladder. Parang swarnakakas tatkrite tamramayang sopanam eva prayachat. But the golden crew launched the copper ladder for her. Prayachat pra upasarga ayachat. Swarnakakastang bhojanamapi tamrabhajane eva akarayat. Now the golden crew fed that this girl also on the copper plate. प्रतिनिवृत्ति काले स्वर्णकाकेन कक्षाभ्यन्तरात् तिस्रः मंजुषाः तत्पुरः समुत्क्षिप्ताः. When the girl was about to come back, the golden crew exposed 3 boxes also in front of her. Lobhavishta sa brihattamang manjusam grihitavati. This girl also was very much greedy like her mother, and she chose the biggest one. Grihamagatya sa tarsita yavat manjusam udghatayati. Tarsita, that means hurried. The girl was in hurry. Now coming back to home due to excitement, anxiety, the girl Yavad Manjusam Udghatayati, when opened the box, Tavat Asyang Bhishanaha Krishna Sarpo Vilokitaha. There is a furious black snake inside that box. Now Lubdhaya Balikaya Lobhasya Phalang Praptam. The greedy girl got the fruit, phalam, the result, the ultimate of her greediness. Tadanantaram sa lobhang paryatyajat. Tat anantaram tadanantaram. After that, she, along with her mother, lobhang paryatyajat, gave up her greediness. So this is the effect of greediness. And priorly we have gone through the incident that was happened with that simple and good girl. So this is the difference between simplicity and jealousy. Now difficult words follow the chapter with their meanings. You have to go through them. And then exercise questions for short answers, long answers, opposite words, joining, question making, प्रकृति प्रत्यय संयोग, suffix and prefix, प्रकृति प्रत्यय विभाग, अधोलिखितानि कथनानि, कः का कम काम च कथयति, who said to whom, forming the words in different cases, classes, योग्यता विस्तारः. These are the other deeds, other writings, other texts by the author Padma Shastri. So go through them also. भाषिक विस्तार. All these exercises you have to do, and this is the declension of numerical words. They are to be discussed separately. And then Gachata Shabda in all the three different genders. Exercises again with Tarap and Tamap Pratyaya, comparative and superlative degree. We will discuss them separately. So these exercises belong to this chapter. You will do them from the key books, reference books. Thank you.